knows how to play the game with the alphabets. Okay, we did so many examples on that also, and I told you 5 examples for the homework. Okay, you all done, I think. Please do it and show me. Send me the solved answers. Okay, immediately please, if you send, the teachers will also be happy. So please solve all the answers. If you not understand, please send messages. We'll repeat it again and explain you. Okay, we'll move on to the next content. Before we start, we'll start with a short prayer. Okay, close your eyes, children. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amrutam Gamaya, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, we are praying to the Lord for our wellness and for our academics. Okay, we'll move on to the next content. Okay, the test of divisibility. The test of divisibility. Andre ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ meaning? Test of divisibility. What is the meaning of divisibility? Which all numbers can be divided? Which all numbers can be divided by one particular number? Which all numbers can be divided by one particular number? Seeing that is called as test of divisibility. The different numbers have a different types or different divisibilities. Yes. So checking that we see in this. Okay. Checking that we see. In the previous class we seen that the divisibility of a 10 we seen, 5 we seen, 2 we seen, 3 we seen, 8, 4, 9, 10, 11, that all things we seen. But this year we start with what? Divisibility of 10. What? The first one is divisibility of 10. The number 10. Okay. The number 10. 10 in ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ 10 ಇಂತ್ರ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ 10 ಟೇಬಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ 10 ಈಗ ನಮ್ದು ಏನನ್ನತಾರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ divisibility of 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು immediately we have to see the 10s table in 10 table which all numbers we have a 10 we have 20 we have 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 and 100 and it's go on ಹೌದಾ ಹಂಗ ಮುಂದುವರ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ ಸೊ ಈಸಿಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ divisibility ವಿತ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು divisibility ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ divisibility ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಗ್ತಾವ 10 ಆಕೈತಿ 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 and it's go on which are not divided andre ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇದ್ರ ಮಿಡಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರ 10 ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ 13 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ 27 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ 32 48 ಇವು ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಉಳ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 10 ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆ 10 ಇಂತ್ರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 10 ಒಳಗೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಯಾವ 10 ಇಂತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 10 divisibility ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ದ 10s divisibility ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0 always the ones place will be 0 so nodri ille ನೀವು ones place 0 ಐತಿ ones place 0 ಐತಿ ones place 0 0 0 0 0 then only we can easily identify that it is a divisibility of 10 it is a divisibility of what the number 10 okay easily we can find the children yes this is called as a divisibility of 10 we'll move on to the next one the divisibility of 5 now we'll see the divisibility of 5 divisibility of 5 the number 5 idunu same in tension tagongilla 5 table you all know na 5 table you all know tell me the 5 table then 5 ones are 5 yes 5 we have in 5 table we have 10 we have 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 and the last one 50 and it's go on yes it's go on till how much number you can write ಹೌದಾ? ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ನಮಗ? ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 5 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಂದ್ರ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ದ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್, ದ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ will be always 0 or 5. 5 ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 0 ಇರಬಹುದು. Then it is a divisibility of 5. ಅದು 5 ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದ ಏನ 0 ಇರಬಹುದು. Then it is a divisibility of 5. Divisibility of 5. ಇವನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 5 ಐತಿ, 6 is a not divisible of 5, 7 is not divisible of 5, 8 is not divisible, 9 is not divisible, ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ಬರ್ತದೆ, 11 is not divisible. ನಾಟ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ? ಇವು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿವ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್. ಎಸ್, these all numbers are divisible of 5. The ones place will be always what? 0 or the ones place will be always 5. Ones place will be 0, ones place will be 5 or case. 0 it may be or 5 it may be. Okay, understood now? Now we'll move on to the next divisibility. We studied about 5 now and 10 also we did. Now we'll move on to the next one, which is divisibility by 2. Divisibility by number 2. 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 10 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Now we'll move on to the 2. Now ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ 2 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಹೌದಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ 2 ಒಳಗ one more interesting thing is which all divisible by 2, that all numbers are even numbers. That all numbers are what? Even numbers. We'll show you the divisibility of 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 6, 8, yes, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. These all are a divisible of 2. Yes, and these numbers are called as what? Even numbers. These all are a even numbers. Divisible of 2 can show you the even numbers also. Can show you even numbers also. And which all are not there in this? Which all are not there in this? That all numbers are called as odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, after 6, 7, after 8, 9, after 10, 11, 13, yes, 15, yes, 17 and 19. These all numbers are what, children? These all are odd numbers. Divisibility of 2 can show you even number also and it shows odd numbers also. So 2 divisibility andre yavyava 2 table. Obviously you all know 2 table na. Small kids also know. You are 8th standard student, so you obviously will know. Yes, 2 table 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yes, these all numbers are called as even numbers also. These numbers are called even numbers also. And which all are not there in this, which all are not divided by 2, that numbers are called as what? Odd numbers. That numbers are called as a what? Odd numbers. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನೈತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ 0 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ these numbers are called as a natural numbers. ಇವಕ್ಕೇನಂತಾರ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, divisibility by 2 can show you the natural numbers also. It shows the even numbers also. It shows the odd numbers also. Yes, it shows three numbers. It shows even numbers, odd numbers, and natural numbers also it shows, and divisibility by 2. Yes, we got these many things by doing 2, divisibility of 2. Yes, children, understood now? We did divisibility by 2, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 10. These all things are easy. These divisibilities are easy. When we move on to the next level, when we take the other number, it may get difficult for us. For example, if we move on to the next number, that is 9 and 3. Divisibility by 9 and 3. We'll move on to the next one. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 9 ಮತ್ತು 3 it is little difficult. 10, 5 and 2s are easier. Yes, these 3 numbers are easier. it will easily we can find out the divisibility. But when we move on to the 9 and 3, it will be little difficult. Yes, we'll solve it. Divisibility by 9 and 3. In this case we not see tables. Yes, till now ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು tables ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, easily ನಮಗೆ find out ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ when we find out two numbers 9 and 3, it is little difficult. For example, I will show you the divisibility of 9 and 3. Okay, for example, I will take in your book they given one example. See page number 10. Okay, one example they shown 3573. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ divisibility find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ first what we have to do, first we have to expand the number. What we have to do, expand the number, or else if you don't want to expand, the one more easier form is start adding all the numbers. Separate all the numbers first. Okay, take it as separate numbers. 3 is separate, 5 is separate, 7 is separate, and 3 is separate, and then add. What total you will get now, that have to be divided by 9 or 3. Then easily we can find it is a divisibility of 9 or 3. For example, this one I will do, separate it first. 3 is separate, plus 5 plus 7 plus 3. Add now 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3. How much you will get? You will get 18. Yes. Now see, 18 can be divided by 9 or no, or 18 can be divided by 3 or no. We have to see. If the 18 is divided by 9 and both the numbers 3 also, then we have to write divisible by 9 and 3. One number is divide ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗಿದ ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ನಾಗಿದ, when we see the divisibility of two numbers. When we see the divisibility of two numbers, we have to do this procedure. Now separate ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 2 ದೇನ single number we easily find out. 5 is a single number, easily we did. 10 is a single number, easily we did. When we see the divisibility of two numbers, for example 9 and 3, we have to follow this method. Understood? Okay, 18. 18 can be divided by 9 na? 9? How much are? 9 3s are? Yes? 9 2s are? Yes? Yes. 18 can be divided by divided by 9. Yes. So 9 18 is a divisible by 9. And in 3 table we have 18. Yes, in 3 table also we have 18. Tables you all know na, 3 6 are how much? So 18 can be divided by 3 also. So the divisibility of 9 and 3 holds here. The divisibility of 9 and 3 holds here. Okay, what we did, we just separated the number, expanded the numbers. Okay, we just expanded the number, and after expanded we added the number. After adding, we have tested the divisibility. We have tested the divisibility test. Okay, illenna hold agilla antandra we have to write it not, it is not possible to divide the numbers. Okay, ಏನು ನಮಗೆ divide ಆತಂದ್ರೆ it can be divided. We have to write like this. One more example they given. See, same 9 and 3. 9 and 3. One more example. What is the example here? 3 5 7 6. Okay, we'll separate it. 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6. Add these numbers. How much we get? We get 21. Notice 21 9 on table ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes, so what, in 3 table we have 21. Yes na, in 3 table we have 3 7s and 21, but in 9 table we don't have. So what we have to write here, 21 is not divisible by 9, but divisible by 3. Okay, ಈ ಕೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಏನಂತ ಒಂದು ಜೊತೆ ಹಾಕೈತಿ, ಒಂದು ಜೊತೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, this type cases also they will give, and in some cases both can be divided by numbers, both the numbers, but in some cases only one number can be divided and other will not divide. Okay, we did examples, and in the next class we'll solve so many examples they given in your textbook. We'll solve it and we'll see how to solve. After solving 2-3 examples, we'll move on to our exercise. We'll solve the exercise and we'll complete this chapter. Okay, see you tomorrow, children. We'll see the next content in the next class. Please practice it in your house.